Welcome to the Insider's Guide to Business Credit. Many people are unaware of the opportunities that business credit can offer. It's more than just a way to fund your business. It's a tool that can help you step into financial abundance.
Let's start with the basics. Business credit is a track record of a company's financial responsibility. It's much like personal credit, but for your business. Companies with good business credit can secure better terms and lower interest rates on loans.
Now, you might be wondering, how do you build business credit? It starts with establishing your business as a separate entity. This means getting an EIN, opening a business bank account, and registering your business with business credit bureaus. Once you've established your business, you can start building credit by using your business bank account for all your business transactions. Pay your bills on time. This will show lenders that you're responsible and trustworthy.
But it's not just about paying bills on time. It's also about using credit wisely. Don't max out your credit lines. Keep your credit utilization low. This shows lenders that you're not overextending yourself.
Remember, building business credit takes time. But with patience and discipline, you can achieve financial abundance. So take the first step today. Start building your business credit and step into financial abundance.
Thank you for choosing legitpin.com as your guide in this journey. We're here to help you every step of the way. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Let's step into financial abundance together.